We've got product managers, engineers, designers, all with very different skill sets, coming together to work on highly technical projects. With that amount of complexity, it's really important that all those team members stay on the same page. That's why we use Lucid to gather and document technical requirements. Here's how that happens. Product and design teams use wireframes to quickly show the experience they're hoping to build. Our engineers get a clear picture of the project, and that makes it easy for them to identify the technical systems that are going to be affected. From there, our engineers use Lucidchart. They create data flows, visualize architecture, and automatically generate UML or ER diagrams. All this visual documentation is essential for moving the project along. These diagrams help disparate engineering teams clarify complexity and quickly align on exactly how they're going to build this new experience. From there, engineers can relay technical requirements to product teams. They can all have an informed discussion on what's possible versus what's out of scope. When Scrum teams get on the same page early, they're able to quickly align on UX solutions that can actually go through to production. We're not wasting time going through endless cycles with engineering. With Lucid, we're able to align as a team, clarify those complex systems, and ship new product experiences faster.